it's Serena. I know I haven't posted in like months. I decided that I was going to post something today. Sorry I keep looking up to the side, the camera's over here. I'm gonna be using the 3502. I think I want to do something like pumpkin spicy because, I don't know, it's a vibe. I've got a pumpkin spice candle going right now and it's just putting me in the mood, so I'm gonna prime my eyes and I'll be right back. I know how weird I look. Trust me, once I put the eyeshadow, it'll look a lot better. So, today I was thinking of maybe doing, I wanted to do a cut crease, but I always do cut creases, so maybe a halo eye. I think I'm gonna do a cut crease. Sorry. So, first I'm gonna go in with this color in the palette. And I'm just gonna pat that on top of the concealer so that way we'll get the most pigmentation and so it'll stay in place. And I'm just gonna kind of swish it because I'm lazy. I mean, without patting it on, it's honestly like going on really good. This one's kind of old. I think I got it like a year ago or maybe a year and a half. I don't really remember whenever this came out because that's how long ago I got it. So it should look like this, make it look even crazier. But then I think we're gonna go in with this color, and I'm gonna use the same brush. It's the Jaclyn Hill brush, but it's the same thing as the Morphe 506 or 507, I think. They both look the same to me, so I mean, both my favorite brushes, but maybe I should have swiped that on first, but it's okay. And you're just gonna kind of blend that into the color that we placed on first to kind of give it that seamless blend. You know, ignore this. We'll deal with that later. And so you can do the same to this eye. And it should look something like that. So, how's your guys' fall going? I mean, to some people it's still summer, but once it's September 1st, honestly, it's fall to me, so don't even hit me with that summer crap. Did I say what color I was using this with? I'm using the very top color. My palette's upside down, I'm so sorry. But it'll be the color right here. It's just upside down on my desk, so... Okay, so you should have something like this now. And so we're gonna just try to blend out those edges I said we'd deal with later. If they still don't go away, I have another way. I might just be the only one with this problem, to be honest, but it's okay. After we blend that top part in, I noticed in the camera that it's kind of bald right there. It doesn't look like that in person, but we're just gonna go over it with that first shade anyway. And just kind of put that back on and blend it in. Till it's like that. Love that for me. Then we're gonna take that lightest shade again, the very top left one, and just kind of attempt to blend that out and just blend around again just to make it look better. If it looks like I'm like this, it's because the mirror is right here and I'm like blind without my glasses, and yeah, sorry about that. So you should have something like this now. But then we're gonna go in with another brush. This one, the Morphe E36, and we're going to pack a darker shade. Which one? I'll turn it back upside. Right side? Up? I'm feeling this one. This one. Let's do that one. And so I'm just gonna put that right in here. To make it just the tiniest bit darker. Kind of pat it on the outside, blend that in like that. Then blend that first color again, because that is our favorite shade of this look, you know? Okay, so you just have something like this, you know? Then we're going to take concealer. I'm going to take the ColourPop, not this one, this is my shade. Found this one in medium 26. It's a shade darker than me. The medium 24 is like my actual skin tone shade, and I'm almost out, so I'm just going to use this one for cut crease since we're going to put a dark color anyway. So I'm just going to take this old pink brush. I think it's from eBay. It doesn't have any name or anything, but any brush that kind of just can do the thing. It's a brush that looks like this. I'm so sorry it won't focus. We're gonna take the concealer and just go like that. Take a little bit more. And usually I would just like take this and put it on the back of my hand and then put the brush, but like, you know, I'm using natural colors today, so it won't like stain the wand like it would if I was doing blues or pinks, you know? So I'm just being lazy today, but if you guys would prefer to do it that way, then you do you. But today's just a chill day, it's cloudy outside, so you know, my laziness is kicking in even more than normal. But so you should end up with something like that. And then we're going to do that to the other side as well. And just try to make sure they're as even as you can get them. If not, it's okay. It takes a lot of practice. I've been doing makeup for like, about 4 years now. I've been doing makeup off and on for way longer than that, but like, I still haven't perfected it, so don't even trip if you can't get it. It just takes time. Okay, and so after you have your little cut creases, they should look like that. I'm gonna do that real quick, but they should look like that. And then you're gonna want to get a brush like this. Mine's from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe collab too, but it's just like a little natural fluffy haired flat top. It's like a smaller version of what you cut my crease. But we're going to take the shade. I kind of want to do this one, but I also feel like that might be too dark, so I kind of want to do that one, but that's too orange. That's too basic, but I know, like, I'm not being basic enough. So I think I am just gonna go in with that shade, that shade, and that shade on like the outer corner. So, yeah. So you're just gonna want to pack it on like that. Just in the front part, like so. And then just leave this blank for now. Just do it to the other side as well. You should have something like this now. Now we're gonna go in with that shade I combed out like 5 times. Going underneath the bright red. And we're gonna put that one right after. Oh, this one's nice. Maybe I should have just done the whole look of this one. It's okay. Next time. Plenty of time since fall just started, so we could just do this any other day. So you're gonna want to go back in with that first lighter shimmer shade. Just kind of blend everything together so that way it looks seamless. Like so. I know it doesn't look as blended in camera as it is in person, but just blend it until you're content. Yet again, we're gonna go in with that first matte shade, which I believe was this one. So hard to remember with these Morphe palettes. But we're gonna take that again and just kind of blend it a little bit into the orange shimmer so it just kind of melts into each other. So now we're gonna do under eyes. So what I'm gonna do is take, if I could find it, I literally have like 4 or 5 different ColourPop concealers. I'm gonna take the skin tone one, the medium 24, and I'm gonna just do this and do this. Since I don't normally wear foundation, I just kind of put them under my eyelids like that for eyeshadow. I don't usually wear foundation just because it never matches me no matter what I do. I always end up getting a shade too light or too dark, and even getting professionally matched, it's still wrong. And I end up looking cakey and powdery and embarrassing, so it's just never been a good time for me. So I just don't normally wear it unless it's for like Instagram pictures, or if I'm very rarely feeling like I could pull it off. Okay, so once your under eyes look crazy like this, we're gonna do the water lines. This brush personally works the best for me. I don't know why I grabbed it like this. But it's the Morphe M149. So let's go in with that darkest shade again and just kind of put it like so underneath, and then just keep kind of packing this on because I don't know, for some reason underneath my eyes the eyeshadow fades the most. Like, I don't know if it's just a problem or that's pretty common for other people, but I like to put more eyeshadow closest to the waterline, and then as I am blending downwards I won't put as much, but you know, we'll see. But then we're gonna go in with that lightest shade we took and just kind of blend that out. I like to sometimes go up to here so that way, I don't know, it looks more together, and then I try to go up to this thing, outer corner, that's what it's called, outer V. Once you do that, then we're gonna go back in with that pumpkin spicy looking color that's right underneath the super bright orange shimmer, and just kind of go between that dark brown and that lighter color just to kind of blend everything together to make it look more seamless. And then we're gonna take, you didn't see me prime my eyelids, but I used a brush that looks like this. It looks gross now because of the concealer, but we're gonna take it and kind of press it around here to kind of blend that away. Same thing over here. And so it should end up looking like this. And now, now we're gonna take the BH Cosmetics Duo Light Highlighter Palette, which is literally my favorite highlighter. But like these 3 right here, so pretty. Especially this one right here, okay? Like, I don't know, how do people do that? That thing, like, do you see that? $20 for this, and it's super pigmented. I'm gonna take this BH Cosmetics brush, but if you have a little tiny brush that looks like this, you could use that too. This came in like the festival set, I think. And we're just gonna take that shade that I swatched on my finger and put it right on my brow bone. I'm playing Post Malone in the background, and I don't know if I'm gonna have to cut that out. I just wanted to play it because I'm getting hyped because next weekend on Saturday I'm going to his concert. Pretty exciting. I need to figure out what makeup I'm gonna do for that. Maybe I'll film that too. And now we're gonna highlight the inner corners with the same shade that we did the brow bone. I'm gonna go put lashes on, and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, and this would be the finished look. I don't remember if I mentioned the lashes, but these are Sugar Pills lashes in Lullaby. They're the ones on my eyes. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully I'll be making more soon. I'm trying to be more comfortable on camera, so hopefully this isn't as awkward as my last tutorial was. I hope you guys have a great day. Like, comment, subscribe if you want to. I'd appreciate it. And I'll have all of my other socials at the end.